Welcome students. Here we are discussing the chapter sets, and in this chapter we have to see a very interesting question. The topic is operations on sets. So here question is, if U is universal set. So if universal set is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then find the complements of the following sets. Set A is given here 2, 4, 6, 8, and set B is given 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have to find out the complement of these sets. So let us see the first solution here. A complement is how much? We have already discussed in the previous video. This is equal to universal set minus set A. And here universal set A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and set A is having elements 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have to omit these elements 2, 4, 6, 8 from universal set. We will get A complement. Okay. So finally A complement will remove these elements 2, 4, 6, 8 from this set, universal set. So remaining elements are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this is the answer. This is the complement of set A. Very simple. Just we have to omit the elements of set A from universal set. The set having remaining elements will give us complement of this set. Similarly, in the second part of this question, set B is given here having elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and we have to find out B complement. So B complement is, as we discussed here, that is universal set minus set B, and universal set is natural numbers from 1 to 9, and set B is having elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So from this universal set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to subtract set B having elements odd numbers only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So from this set, universal set, we have to remove these elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You will get B complement, isn't it? So the elements of B complement will be here 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is the answer of the second part. So very simple, very interesting. We can find out the complement of the given set very easily by subtracting the set from universal set. So we will see some more very interesting and simple questions in other videos to come. Please keep watching these videos. Thank you very much.